Hello, everyone. My name is Marques Rashad Collins McDonald. I am the second son of Dwight and Veronice McDonald. I was born in Atlanta, Georgia, and raised in Montgomery, Alabama. That's why some call me the black sheep of the family, because I was the only one of the five sons that was born outside of Montgomery, Alabama. I graduated from Sidley Lanier High School in 1995. I attended Tuskegee University, majoring in electrical engineering. After leaving Tuskegee, I entered the United States Army, where I did a 6-year career as a parachute rigger. I went to war in Afghanistan after 9/11. After leaving the military, I came back to Montgomery, Alabama, and began a career in the automobile manufacturing industry, where I've been for the past 14 years. Within that time, I can say I have become a jack of all trades. I have managed restaurants. I have sold direct TV, home security systems, and other internet providing services. I have also opened up my own nightclub. Now I am married. I have 3 kids, one son, 2 daughters. My son is 19, my daughter is 20, and my other daughter is 13. I am currently a team leader for Kia Motors Manufacturing, Georgia, where I work in the general assembly shop where we do all the final preparations for the Sorrento Telluride and Kia Optima. I am currently a student at Troy University, majoring in business administration with a concentration in marketing. My goal is to open up my own car dealership. Thanks.